A refund request can be placed on completed orders. If an order has not been completed and you would like to process a refund, please contact admin and we can do this directly for you. In this example, we will be refunding an $11 transaction from Amelia. The first thing you need to do is open up the order. In this situation, we were unable to deliver the product as it was out of stock, so we will be refunding the product, the GST, as well as the shipping costs. In some instances where you have already delivered the product and the customer was not satisfied, you may want to offer a partial refund. Remember to not refund the GST and the delivery fee. So here's how we process a refund request. We'll scroll down to this button over here which says Request Refund. Select it. You may want to restock the item and place it back in stock. In this instance, we're out of stock, so I'm going to untick that. And you'll be given the option to fill out the amounts you want to refund, so you don't have to refund all of it, you can refund parts of it. And we have a total of $11 to refund. So in this instance, I'm going to be selecting $5.50, and we're going to give $5 from the delivery fee and 50 cents. So from a total available of $11, we're going to be refunding $11. And we're going to add in an order note. And what we're going to do is we're going to submit the refund request. So select that once you're happy with it. It's going to bring up a notification to ask you if you'd like to process this refund as the action cannot be undone. Select OK. I've selected OK. And it's going to come up with a notification which says refund request submitted. Select OK. Right, awesome. So that should come up over there for you. Once you have requested a refund, we suggest that you head over to the order notes section and place that in. Requested, and you might want to add in a date as well, so I'm going to put that as the 19th of February 2021, and I'm going to add a note, send that to the customer as well. So that's going to go through to admin, and when they approve that, more information will show on this page. Once admin has approved the refund, as you can see, the information is updated to refunded and the order value has been updated. So you can now open the order and it will show that it has been refunded entirely. Order status changed from completed to refund, and it shows that it has been approved by admin over here. So what happens if you refund part of an order and not the whole order? In the case where you're only refunding one item, the order status will remain as completed, but the items individually will be refunded. If you do process a refund, it's important to note if the status has been set to completed, the funds will be available in your withdraw account. When an order is refunded, only the amount of your earnings will be deducted. So, for example, if I were to refund this order of $60, only $54 will come from your wallet. The remainder will come from admin, as we have taken a commission, so our fee of the commission will also be refunded, and that will be reflected in your wallet after the refund has been processed. We would recommend leaving some of the balance in your wallet for this reason, but if you have any troubles, please contact us and we'll be able to help you out.